don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Welcome to my fans at the TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Pyramids 2. I'm joined by Umenier Oetiski.
Oh, that's Tibos.
How are you?
Grand, right? Yeah, ish. I guess last week Pretoria first leg.
Yes.
Muzo kumbula kahle ku-interview esayishaya. I-Sundowns ngokuconsider leli goal nge-edit time ila iqale khona inkinga zayo. Ngakusho futhi lokho last week.
Yeah.
Ukuthi njengoba bese beconsider nge-edit time,
yes,
lento i-changer yonke i-scenario ye-second leg. Because lento ngangiyikhuluma kubantu engangihleli nabo, ngangiyikhuluma kusawu-1-0 ne. Ukuthi okay, it's fine. If uthi goal lesi-2 asakwazi ukuthi okanye Sundowns ayisakwazi ukuthi ilikore, yenze njani? Protect lead le onayo. So right uya kwi-second leg ulida ngobani? Ulida ngo-1-0.
Umnandi. Yeah.
And then i-Sundowns ya-allow i-cross last minute.
Yes.
Kwangena yini? I-goal. Kwaba ubani? Kwaba 1-1. Ila kwaqala khona inkinga zani ze-Sundowns.
That's true.
Remember i-Pirates 2013 sadlala i-draw ka-1-1 ne-Aliash. Kwaba ukuqala kwinkinga zethu. Second leg sesi under pressure. Ngikushilo na last okanye first leg ukuthi yabo njengoba umayele engakoranga kule game uzokora kule game because iSundowns izobe si desperate for ukuthola ama-goal bese yenza ama mistake. Ubonile igoal abalikorile. I-mistake eshawe i-center back.
Yeah.
Understand because ba desperate bana lento bafuna ukuthola igoal.
That's true.
Asibuyele last Thibo. I-Nedbank i-Sundowns idlale ne-team I think isibanye ne.
Spanye still.
Isibanya kora amagoli ayi-2 kwi-Sundowns. Lo magoli wonke aqhamuka ka left.
Yeah.
Okanye side le left back ye-Sundowns.
Yes.
I-Chiefs uma idla i-Sundowns ngo-2-1 manje kwi-Nedbank. Igoli leli liqhamuke kuphi? Liqhamuke ngala ka left. I-Pirates lamagoli ayi-2 midli Sundowns ngo-2-1 aqhamuke kuphi?
Left side.
Aqhamuke ka left. Namhlanje leli goli lika Fiston liqhamuke kuliphi side? Ka left. Namhlanje i-second goal i-free kick yenziwe ubani?
Left back.
I-left back.
Yes.
I-first leg against i-Pyramids. I-cross isuke from i-right back yabo. Iyakora kwakora umuntu oqhamuka kuphi? Ka left. Yabo sengibala amagame amangaki. Akhona amanye sengwakhohliwe but lento ikutshela ukuthini? Na last week ngikhale ngama-analyst ye-Sundowns ukuthi awafundanga kuma-mistake enziwe i-Pirates. Even today abafuni ukufunda kuma-mistake ebebewenza from kuqala i-season okanye from last season. I-Sundowns always imiconsider i-left back yakhona iyathinteka. Okanye leli side laka left angingasho ukuthi left back kuphela leli side laka left lenjani liyathinteka.
Yeah.
So as ama-analyst abantu abanepower abantu abanemali ukuthenga ama-player why ningathengi nifixe le yankinga le ngoba ama-team ayaqhubeka enze njani ayabapanisha from i-side la kuphi
Exploit
laka left. And ngakutshela first leg
yes
umdibu uluza amabhola ayi-13 today umuthi yacheka today le cross le ibuye kuyena le goal lokuqala. Okay, it's fine ukekana ube na i-chance ukuthi clearishe ibhola wahluleka. But inkinga ze-Sundowns zonke zikuphi leli side la ka left.
Obrimudiba.
Even ingasiyena sometimes kube uSuarez, sometimes kube icover bokekana. Ingakho ngingafuna ukuthi ngibale uObri kuphela because even abo Divine ungenile na today washaya i-free kick kwaba i-goal. Understand? And then uma sesiya kuma pillars of development isipho.
Yes.
Lezi zaphezulu ezase north ne. There's something ekumele sifunde kuzona. remember ngihleze ngitshela ama pillars of development ayi4 ne. It's tactically, technically, psychologically and physically ne. Tactically and technically abasihluli kangako ne, but into abasibamba kuyona physically development and psychological development basishaya. Bona bayawazi ama game ekufanele bedlala ibhola eliclean, bayawazi ama game ekufanele bedlale date la besebenzise ipower kanye istrength sabo. First leg they had about ama goal kick ayi10 wonke bebawashaya kuba ama long ball. Why? Because baya understand ukuthi physical kanjani ba strong. Even today ama goal kick abo benze njani bewashaya because bayazi ukuthi Sundowns angeke ba match physical. Psychologically bayakwazi ukuwina ama game, abanandaba ukuthi bawina ngo20% ball position, abanandaba nayo yonke lonto. Psychologically banjani ba passionate ukudlula thina, okanye baya understand ukuthi ama game aso kumele sidlale kanje ukuze siwawina. Ucheck yahle wonke ama Champions League lawo wawinile, isuke idlala ibhola lithina leli sithi linjani leyabhora. Sengivala Sithipho angeke ngiye deep ne, because nami iphilosophy engisipanisayo abantu bengaze bengifunde la bengikhompisa nabo. The reason why iPyramids idla iPirates okanye idla iSundowns okanye lama team la wadlile okanye the reason why win iChampions League isebenzisa something esibiza ngokuthi 5v5. Danke Sithipho.
5v5.
5v5.
Explain.
Brother, you'll catch it next time.
I don't even hear right. Yeah. I mean.